Is cTrader a broker? Is cTrader a broker? Some people think cTrader is a company that helps them to make money, also called a broker. But that's not true. Let's just explain it in this video. cTrader is not a broker. It's basically a tool like your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It's just a fancy app or software that you use to place trades. It's not the company that holds the money. And brokers are the actual guys that will hold the money. So what you do is to actually have a broker that offers cTrader as a trading platform. So you can download cTrader from a spot the company that developed it, or you can go to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store and the sort. Then you just need to find a broker that also uses cTrader. Then you can basically use cTrader for trading. But cTrader itself is not a broker. They are not a broker. It's just software like your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that you use to do your buying and selling in the market.